it going, everybody? Today we are taking a quick ride up Gist Road, right off of Black Road. I would really like to be on the Supermoto tires right now, to be honest with you, but I've got the dirt. Not sure when I'm gonna switch back to Supermoto. I've got to order a new set of tires. If I remember right, this road's got a lot of nice switchbacks and inclines. Though it's a little rougher than I remember for some reason, so here you go. Unfortunately, it's only a one-lane road, though I don't think there's a lot of traffic. Still makes it a little on the hairy side. Not too much going on up here. Lots of residences, clearly, and a couple Christmas tree farms, as per usual for this area. Some nice houses. Far from the highway. It would be a good spot to be if you want to be in the mountains, but you need to work in the San Jose city area. Would be a quick commute out of the beautiful mountains here. Stone wall. And that's it. We're back to Skyline. So, not a long one by any stretch, but a cute little fun run. Anyways, for more like this, there's a deer. For more like this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.